Assalamualaikum. This is Zerin Sultana Joya, bearing ID 12308037, student of Kumala University and Department of Computer Science and Engineering. First of all, I would like to thank our honorable teacher Mahmoudul Hassan Raju sir for giving me the chance to talk about an important topic, feasibility and SWOT analysis. Today, I will be presenting feasibility and SWOT analysis on online appointment booking system for Ibn Sina Hospital. As healthcare systems grow more complex, hospitals are moving towards digital services that make services faster, easier, and more patient-friendly. One such solution is an online appointment booking system. In this topic, the contents will be the introduction, objectives, and the 5 types of feasibility analysis: technical feasibility, operational feasibility, economic feasibility, schedule feasibility, legal and political feasibility, and decision after feasibility analysis, SWOT analysis, and in the last, the conclusion. Let's start with introduction. Ibn Sina Hospital currently uses a manual appointment system leading to long waiting times, scheduling errors, and patient dissatisfaction. To solve these issues, the hospital plans to develop an online appointment booking system that allows patients to schedule appointment digitally. Before developing such system, we must analyze whether it is practical, useful, or achievable or not. This is done through a feasibility analysis and SWOT analysis. If we talk about objectives about this system, an online appointment booking system automate appointment scheduling, reduce administrative workload, improve patient experience and satisfaction, ensure real-time doctor availability information. Now let's analyze the feasibility of this system. A feasibility analysis helps to determine if the system can be built successfully. This includes technical feasibility, operational feasibility, economic feasibility, schedule feasibility, and legal and political feasibility. Now let's talk about technical feasibility of this system. Ibn Sina Hospital already has the necessary infrastructure such as computers, stable internet, and a basic IT department. The proposed system can be developing using standard, cost-effective web technologies like HTML, PHP, JavaScript, CSS, and MySQL database because these are well-known and widely supported technologies. Ibn Sina's existing IT team can maintain and upgrade the system without major issues. Now, let's talk about operational feasibility of this system. With the online appointment booking system, staff will spend less time on phone and paper stations. Patients will also be benefited from the ability of booking at any time, day or night, reducing peak time crowding and long queues. The system will also decrease scheduling mistakes, double bookings, helping Ibn Sina to run more smoothly and efficiently. Let's talk about economic feasibility. The estimated cost to build the system is around 12 lakh with ongoing yearly cost and for maintaining and training of about 2 lakh 40,000. These expenses will be offset by savings from reduced administrative labor, less paper uses, and fewer scheduling errors. Over time, Ibn Sina Hospital is likely to recoup its costs through better efficiency, increased capacity, and higher patient satisfaction. Let's talk about schedule feasibility. The project can realistically be completed in 6 months, 4 weeks for requirement analysis, 8 weeks for design, 8 weeks for development, and lastly 4 weeks for testing and training. This timeline allows Ibn Sina Hospital to implement the system without major disruption to its day-to-day operations. Now let's talk about legal and political feasibility. Ibn Sina Hospital will ensure patient privacy by including secure login features, data encryption, and role-based access. This will align the system with patient data protection laws and hospital ethics policies, safeguarding sensitive medical information. Let's talk about the decision after feasibility analysis. After examining all key areas, technical feasibility, operational feasibility, economic feasibility, scheduling feasibility, and legal and political feasibility, the online booking system for Ibn Sina Hospital is fully feasible. The hospital has the necessary infrastructure and staff capacity. The costs are reasonable and recoverable, and the timeline is short. Therefore, the system is not just practical, it is strategically sound investment that promises tangible improvements for patients and staff. Now, let's do the SWOT analysis on online booking appointment system. First, let's talk about strengths of this system. This system reduces manual error, improves hospital efficiency, and enhances patient satisfaction. Now, let's talk about the weaknesses of this system. Some patients, particularly older ones, may struggle with booking online. The system depends on reliable internet connectivity. Now, let's talk about the opportunities of this system. The system can be extended to support telemedicine, connecting remote patients to Ibn Sina's hospital. It could integrate with mobile payment gateway, SMS or email reminders, and digital patient records. And the last is the threats of these systems are cybersecurity risks could threaten patient data if protection are not robust. There may be internal resistance from staff who prefer traditional processes. Thank you for listening to me.